Here's how to use the new Siri app on your Apple Watch running WatchOS 27. At the time I'm recording this video, it's available for the first time in Developer Beta 3. You can start a new conversation in the Siri app by tapping the plus button in the top right corner. Use the microphone to send a request, ask questions, or get helpful answers and solutions for more complex tasks. To activate Siri using Hey Siri or just Siri, you'll have to enable it in Settings on your Apple Watch. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Siri. Under the Ask Siri section, tap Listen for Siri or Hey Siri. Choose your preferred option. Now go back and enable the other ways to activate Siri, including Raise to Speak and Press Digital Crown. The rest of the Siri settings on your Apple Watch include Siri Responses, Messaging with Siri, and Use with Siri, where you can customize how Siri works across different apps and features. That's everything you need to know about the new Siri app and Siri settings on Apple Watch. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more Apple tips and updates.